All right, today we're going to practice how to find an unknown value in a division problem. So we know that division is equal sharing. So if you have a whole that you want to share equally into different parts. So let's start with the most basic. So if we have 6 divided by 2 and we want to know how we are equally sharing this, well, we know 6 is the total that we have, the whole. So we can draw 6 tally marks, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then we can make groups of 2 because we're dividing it by groups of 2. So 2 here, 2 here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm sorry, add an extra one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we're breaking up into groups of 2. And let's see. So here we have 3 groups. So we had 6 whole. So this is our whole. This is how many in each group. So we'll say number in each group. And this is how many groups we have. So using that model, we'll try it some different ways. Well, what if you have your whole, but you don't know how many are in each group, but you do know that there are 4 groups. So something like this, and you may need to play with it a little bit and try it a couple of different ways to see how it could work. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Well, if I start with the whole like this, I may have a hard time knowing exactly how to make exactly 4 group, how to divide it, where I will end up with 4 group. I may not know that. So maybe I'm going to work a little backward because since they did give me the answer, maybe I can work backward. So if I have a problem like this where I have the divisor is missing, I'm going to try working backwards. I know this answer means how many groups, so I am going to actually just make my 4 groups. And I know this is the total, so I know that I need to have 12 total among all of these 4 groups. So I'm just going to do equal sharing because that's another definition of division, equal sharing. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now I just found my missing value. My missing value was the number in each group. And now I see that I have 3 in each group. All right, let's try another one. Well, what if we have this? Oh, I've been making rectangles, so let's keep it consistent. I have this, and it is all right, so I don't know how many I'm starting with. So this time my dividend is missing. I do know there should be 6 in each group, and I do know that I need to have 3 groups. So I'm just going to work from there. I need to have 3 groups, because remember this is my number of groups. I need to have 6 in each group. Because this is number in each group. And now let's see what the whole is. So the whole is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So the whole is 18. So now I can see that if I have 18 whole and I divide it by groups of 6, I will have 3 groups. But you can always work backwards to find missing numbers. So now I'm going to leave one for you to try. So let's see if, in fact, I'll leave a couple for you to try. 3 different kinds. So get these down. if you have this, we'll start with the easy one. 27 divided by 9 equals what? And we'll do one where 24 divided by blank equals 6. And an unknown divided by 5 equals 3. So you try these on your own.